Hey, it's Regina from Eat Travel Life. We are making walnut honey cream cheese, simple and easy, and tastes so good on bagels. Let's go ahead and get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. And I used this time a whipped cream cheese. I liked it because I didn't have to whip it so hard. If I had to do it again, I would have done just regular cream cheese softened and room temp. So I added the whipped cream and then I added fresh honey from our honeybees. You can use whatever you've got. And then you'll want to go ahead and add in your walnuts. If you don't want walnuts, go ahead and leave them out, or you can use a nut of your choice. But we want to make sure that we get all of that delicious honey in here because that will help give the honey flavor, of course. And then once you've got all of that honey out, you can go ahead, lick your fingers and mix it together. And it goes together very easily when it's whipped. It does have a weird texture. I'll show you at the end when you use whipped. Um, but if you have a regular cream cheese, just use your mixer and mix that up really well until it's evenly combined. And you'll know when you know. And then you can go ahead and add in your walnuts. I used a half a cup, I think. They were all chopped up into little pieces and mixed it in well. And there you go. That's it. Simple, easy. It just took a few stirs and then that was all together. And then I went in, I grabbed my bagel and I used a spatula because I was hungry. I wanted to eat all this. And so I also used the container because you weren't adding a lot. This was a 12-ounce container and I only needed 8 ounces of cream cheese, so I ate some on another bagel without the walnut. So I was really wanting to use the honey walnut on my next bagel. So I just grabbed a good spatula full because I didn't want to dirty a knife and just spread that on there. And yeah, thanks to the store for how they sliced the bagels for me. But that looks delicious. Lots of schmear on that bagel. Or is it bagel with schmear or schmear with bagel on that one? Let me know in the comments. And then this is a consistency after a few hours. It looked a little wet, so that's why I said I would use the regular cream cheese in the future. This is what it looks like when you make it with the regular cream cheese. Delicious. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.